I created this out of my desire to do something to help the earth and our world. I call this Wake Up. We all have a common birth, a common mother, we call her Earth. Common elements we all share, water, land, fire, and air. But there's always someone who takes more. They don't care who they leave poor. So we all must take a stand, put an end to selfish demand. Bring back those days when bad is shunned. Reclaim caring for everyone. Here's how. Watch what you're buying, can't you hear? The world is crying. It cannot go on supplying your bling. How can you go on denying that the bling that we are buying is not helping? Children are crying for their parents who died, trying to supply the bling we are buying. Wake up, look around. Flying birds fall to the ground. In their food it has been found poisons. How can we go on denying that the food that we are buying is no longer satisfying? Bodies are weak. Our bodies are dying. Wake up. Stop denying. Wake up. Stop the buying from the liars who defy our human rights. Hey, we have rights. We all are people. We are all born free and equal. These rights go to everyone. The right for life and the right for fun. Wake up. Stop denying. Wake up. Stop the buying from the liars who defy our human rights. Hey, we can change this world around by watching where we put our dollars down. Honest people can be found. And that's how Earth will rebound. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.